Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Good evening, my dear vascular colleague. Vascular Online Training. I would like to speak today about another initiative which is called Sunday Endovascular Night. What is Sunday Endovascular Night? Over the next few months, I will try to get one of the best live recorded endovascular case from major vascular and endovascular international meeting. It will be live recorded all to vascular online training members, freely available at 9 p.m. Cairo time in the member arena. This will be only available to YouTube channel member due to copyrights, and I will have an alternative summary of this case to non-members of Vascular Online Training channel. The lecture will be among the best of the International Vascular and Endovascular Congress and the most recent as well, and we can have a discussion about it in the comment section. I will maintain this activity every week, and I hope it will be of benefit to members and non-members as well. Members can see the live recording itself. Non-members can see my summary of the case and lessons that has been learned. I hope this will help you in your vascular career, and I hope you will benefit from sharing and seeing cutting-edge technology in vascular and endovascular cases. I wish you all the best. I'm Dr. Mohammed Omar Farouk, consultant vascular surgeon.